Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. So when you click this highlights right here, as you can see, this is not working. So the one thing that you can do is to try to connect to a better internet and make sure that your Wi-Fi or data is turned on. So as it me right now, I have turned it on and I have now connected to Wi-Fi. So let's refresh this and let's see if this works. As for me, it works, but if that method doesn't work for you, then what you can do is to head home, hold Instagram, click on F info right here, and you can see here the storage usage. And in here, just clear the cache. As of now, it has been cleared. And then after that, what we can do next is to go to Play Store, search in here Instagram, and if this have an update button right here, update your Instagram. But since my Instagram is updated, I can just head over and open it. The last thing that you can do is to try to reboot your phone. You can do so by holding your power button and clicking this restart button right here. It may be a restart or reboot option, but once you're done restarting your phone, you can head over to your Instagram and see again if your highlights is working. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.